Uh, let's learn about the subject pronouns as well. Uh, as in English, we have I, you, he, she, it. Okay. So in French, I is like the. The is equivalent to I in English. Whenever you want to say I, use je. Okay. Je. Just like in our first class, we learn about je m'appelle, je suis, I am. Okay. So je means I. In our first class, I say that there are two types of you in French: formal, informal, singular, and plural you. Okay. So this is tu. Tu is the informal and singular you. Okay. Next, il, elle, and o. It means he, she, it, or one. Next is nous. Nous, which means we. We. Formal and plural we. Vous. Vous means you. Formal and plural you. Okay. Next, il, l with s. You don't have to pronounce it ils or else. You just have to say il, l, because in French the final s we don't pronounce. Okay. Final s we don't pronounce. Final t, final x, we avoid the pronunciation of these consonants. Okay. So il, l, which means they. Okay. ILS for masculine they, and ELLES is feminine they. Plural case, third person plural cases. Okay. Je, I, tu, singular and informal you, il, l, and o. He, she, or it, or one. Nous, which means we. Vous, which means you, formal and plural you. Il, they, third person plural case.